they are not paying court, but it's bearing the name of Nelson De Leon and others versus Attorney General. But when they come to Parliament, they say they are paying extortion. On this list, they say it's 42,000, but when you see here, they're saying not approved. Yes, not approved. It's here. Now, this is the list. We went to court. We wrote to court as Lango Parliamentary Group, and they gave us. It's here, fully certified by court as Exhibit A.
As I conclude, I want to inform you that the people of Lango have suffered enough. We don't need any other suffering. What we want is that government must fulfill its pledge because it has been long overdue. Our last hope is on this committee. If this committee fails, we shall not lack what to do, but we shall do it in accordance with the law.
Some unique names which are not no other names in that list. And well enough, they have great number of animals, many more than the true claimants. I need you to take note of that. Honorable Leader, translate this for me. I don't know a lot of English. Lagi, iwana kanda kami diningene ni jawan. Iyaba na komidoni ani ya peyo. Kan komidini en kano. Ameto kiu binoro kope. Abera komidini sikia person ni. Anta ko tuhe. Akwa ni makino tuhe. Odongo tuhe. Oteya uruba una mugongo kunugo kwa Attorney General.
Secondly, let the court, the government, use the lawyers. Because it was the lawyers who made a submission to court. Why do they want to pay us behind the lawyers? Let them pay us through the lawyers because the lawyers knew their clients. They should not enter into this conflict. This is my submissions. We have hope in you. And if this parliament goes back and we don't hear any action taken, we are going to mobilize. You will see us in Kampala and we shall attack you in Parliament, whichever means, but peacefully. We want people to be paid.
And when we are big, or middle, and when again, I got a jail, it would do me a pier. I would about a blue girani, don't take a banny, or take a be a gun, no, or take a be a Chair, this is so painful. She said.
So, all this meeting, even if we talk until tomorrow, the issue is about Attorney General slashing, duplicating that. Our people are being paid and yet they have not received the money. So this is going to affect us so much. And as you people from the parliament, you work on behalf of the government. This is very disturbing, especially come 2026 for our election.
And the process was moving on when they started with the first disbursement of money to our people. Through the lawyers, and I don't want to say anything here much. Lango, if we can accept for our voice to go back through this team, that the payments must be taken back in the hands of the lawyers so that we get our money. I am saying this because like now this office is failing us. Let them first bring back these lawyers. They know their people. If they are not sure of the people that they are going to pay them, lawyers will have to tell them that these are our people. And I don't think they can put the stamp there when they don't know what they are doing. That was already a sign that they were ready to pay these Ugandans. Let them be given their money.
The Honorable Chair, Adhere is my name. I was one of you in the first parliament between 1989 and 1996, representing the court. Now, I would like to assist you, to assist my people. Uganda believes in the rule of law. The people of Lango were robbed of their animals and they went to court. Judgment was made in their favor. And that is what has brought you here. Is that judgment being executed or not? We are saying it should be executed exactly according to the law. I'm a staunch member of the movement party. 99%, 1% being the blood of my father. Our people have suffered. These animals must be compensated because the government of Uganda did not suffer in the rationing. The cattle exchanged hands to another group of people on the other side. So economically, the government did not suffer. But the people.
My name is Joyce Bagala Ntuatwa. I am the Woman Member of Parliament for Mityana District. I am also the Deputy Chairperson of the Government Assurances Committee of Parliament. And currently we are on our oversight role in different regions of the country, in West Nile, in Acholi, and in Lango sub-region. The other group of ours is in the other part of the country, in Sebei, in Karamoja, and in Teso sub-region. And we are looking at the assurance by government to compensate war victims in these regions. And we are finding quite unique issues in each and every region. There are regions where no compensation at all has taken place, but there are also regions where partial compensation has taken place. So we have found people who have said they've been paid. When we interfaced with the Attorney General, he told us the rate of each of the cows is 1,050,000 shillings. But we found very old women telling us they've received 130,000. And we are wondering if one cow is rated at 1,050,000 shillings, how then can they pay someone 130,000 shillings? I think that's really very unfair. But we also found issues to do with powers of attorney by the children of those who were claimants. But there is also complaints about discrimination. The people of Lango are saying they've been discriminated. They think they haven't been treated the same way as other regions that are also up for compensation. So all these are issues that we're going to look at, because the duty of our committee is to ensure that government has implemented its assurances or its promises to the citizens.
You talk of investigation. What were you meaning? Because I understand there was a complaint raised by one of the RDCs that some message went to somebody's phone saying that he has been paid. But in actual sense, the person did not receive money.
Exactly. When a matter like that arises, then we give it up for investigation, because if someone received a message on their phone and they were told that they were paid, but they didn't find money in their account, that should be investigated, because that's fraud. How can someone be paid? Someone receives a message on the phone and then there's nothing in the account. That means probably there's a chain in the bank or someone else who is accessing that account in a manner that the owner of the account may not know. That's why it needs to be investigated.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.